that you make me. It is just un poco crazy, in the sense that you're not making
the liberties you're taking leaves my cabeza shaking. You are just un poco loco.